The North Texas Municipal Water District was created in 1951, at about the same time the Army Corps of Engineers was constructing Lake Lavon. 10 cities in this area, north and east of Dallas, knew they wanted to grow, and they had visions for economic prosperity for businesses. It would be difficult to provide the amount of water needed on their own. So the cities joined together and requested an entity to do that. The state of Texas created the North Texas Municipal Water District through legislation in 1951. The drought in the 50s really had a huge impact on all of Texas, particularly the cities in this area. Most of the cities at that time were relying on groundwater, but they knew that particularly during times of drought, the source of water supply could not sustain them. The district's vision has always been regional service through unity, meeting our region's needs today and to tomorrow. Our basic mission has remained the same, to meet the various needs of our member and customer cities. We have been providing water since 1956, wastewater services since the 70s, and solid waste services since the 1980s. That population started out at 30,000 in the 50s. Today, almost 2 million people rely on our water. Our service area is about 2,000 square miles. That is about twice the size of Rhode Island. Within that service area are some of the fastest growing cities, not only in Texas, but in the country.
North Texas Municipal Water District is a water wholesaler. What we do is we get water from its sources, reservoirs, and other locations, and we convey that to a treatment plant, we treat it, and then send it out to the cities and water utilities and other entities who then send it to end users, which might be residents or industrial users. Our job really is to do the heavy lifting of getting that water in, getting it treated, and getting it distributed.
In our homes, we use water on a daily basis. We wash our hands, we do our laundry, we go to the restroom. That water is then collected and transported through hundreds of miles of pipe to one of 14 wastewater treatment facilities that North Texas Municipal Water District operates. Upon arrival at the wastewater treatment facility, the water is cleaned through a multi-step process which removes the harmful pathogens and viruses before discharging to the waterways, meeting all regulatory requirements.
The North Texas Municipal Water District serves 5 solid waste member cities: Allen, Frisco, McKinney, Plano, and Richardson. Each of those collect solid waste from businesses and residents, and they deliver them to one of 3 of our transfer stations or to our landfill. Here we are at a transfer station, and any waste that goes to a transfer station is loaded onto tractor trailers where it is then trucked up to our landfill in Melissa, where it is disposed. The 5 solid waste member cities comprise a population of almost 800,000 people, and annually we accept approximately 950,000 tons of solid waste. Residents of each of the 5 solid waste member cities are allowed to dispose of waste or yard waste up to 2 times per month. This affords them the opportunity to get rid of excess material more frequently than their traditional once-a-week collection service.
It is our plan to continually prioritize and invest in our water, wastewater, and solid waste systems in order to continually provide a high quality and reliable service to the member and customer cities.
Sharing regional systems and the investments needed to operate and maintain them is a cost-effective way for our cities to provide essential services to their customers. In partnership with our cities, we provide the highest quality water at the lowest cost possible. Today, residents pay about a penny per gallon of treated water delivered straight to their tap 24/7. Considering all that it takes to treat and deliver the water, this is a great value. The early leaders of our 10 founding cities were visionary in forming the district back in the 50s. This model of cities sharing regional systems has supported growth, prosperity, and a high quality of life across North Texas, and will continue to benefit our thriving communities for decades to come. We are regional, reliable, every day.